Hello everybody, hope you guys are doing great. Welcome to my channel. My name is Kavach Khanna and this video is a part of my Christ Diaries. In this video today, I will be doing a campus review for the analytical hub of Christ University, which is the Lavasa campus. Now, I've already made a detailed video on the Lavasa campus. I'll put down the link of that video in the description below. That video has all the important information such as the key facts about the Lavasa campus, the faculty profiles at Lavasa campus, the facilities provided at Lavasa campus, as well as all the accommodation facilities and the prices for Lavasa campus. However, in this video, I'll be covering the very important parts of the campus review, which is the pros and the cons of studying and living in Lavasa campus. Along with that, I will also be telling you guys about the life at Lavasa campus. Make sure you watch this video till the very end because all these things are going to be very useful for you in making the right decision and choosing the right campus. So let's get started. Firstly, I've got some important pictures that I wanted to share with you guys about the Lavasa campus so that you kind of get the vibe about the campus as well as the infrastructure at Christ University Lavasa campus. These are the classrooms. I'm really sorry for the pixelated picture. This is the top view of the Lavasa campus. As you can see, it is very beautiful, and Lavasa as a city itself is very beautiful. They plan to make it as the Italy of India, and you can see it, the weather, the hills and the lakes. They just set up for a perfect study environment. This is the accommodation facility at Lavasa campus. In the previous video, I've already put down all the prices of the accommodation facility. So make sure you watch that video as well to understand your budget and how much you can spend according to a 2 sharing, 3 sharing or a 4 sharing room. This is the seminar room at the Lavasa campus. This is the residential block at Lavasa campus. This is another view of the Lavasa city. This is the computer lab at Lavasa campus. This is the moot court room. So for all the law students, Christ University Lavasa campus has a moot court room which you can use for all your practices as well as competitions. This is another picture of the classrooms at Lavasa campus. This is the main block of the Lavasa campus. This is the auditorium at Lavasa campus. This is again a very beautiful picture. That's the reason I put it up on this deck. Now coming to the very important part of this video, which is the pros and the cons of Lavasa campus. Starting with the cons, I think one of the biggest cons of Lavasa campus is that it is a very isolated place because Lavasa is far from Pune and there is not much happening in Lavasa as a city because there is no nightlife. In comparison to a metro city, it doesn't have the hustle and the bustle of a metro city. So please be ready that there will not be happening much in terms of the city side at Lavasa campus. The second biggest con of the Lavasa campus is the weather. Usually it is raining a lot in Lavasa campus. So for all the people, you all need to be prepared to face rains. Even while it is raining, you have to attend the classes, so you need to have umbrellas with you, you need to have raincoats, and you just have to be prepared to face the rains. A lot of people from the north and other parts of the country are not used to facing so much of rains, so for them it can be a tough challenge to meet. Along with that, usually longer rains are associated with monotony and sad life. So again, that also brings in an element which again relates to isolated place and an isolated life. So these are the two biggest cons of being in the Lavasa campus. In terms of pros, one of the biggest pros of the Lavasa campus is that it has a very calm environment to study. As you can see from the pictures that I've posted, you would get an idea about how calm and serene the environment is. And it just makes up for a very apt environment to study. Now that everybody's gone there to study, so you can get that important environment to study. If you're in a metro city, then obviously you can get distracted very easily with a lot of things happening around. That can again be a con or a pro, that's up to you. But then yes, there's a lot of elements of distraction which you will surely not find at Lavasa campus. Secondly, another biggest pro of the Lavasa campus is the better faculty connect and the peer connect. Now, because the city is very isolated, all you have is your college mates, your faculty from the college itself. So the connect which you would have with your faculty, with your classmates, as well as with your seniors is going to be much better, because everybody there is going to be very welcoming, and then you would be meeting those people on a very regular interval, which means that obviously your connect is going to be much better. The faculty there also plays a keen role in your personal development, and they are more like your parents there, because they understand you do not have anyone to go back to. So your faculty there just becomes more like parents for you all, and then obviously the connect you would have is going to be far better than any other institute or any other campus that you join. Lastly, one of the biggest pros which comes with, I think, like it's like a default with all Christ University campuses, is the great infrastructure. I'm pretty sure the pictures which I've posted before are not going to do justice to that. Whatever you watch with your naked eyes are going to be much better, and Christ University, trust me on this one, they do not compromise on the infrastructure. So the infrastructure is going to be top notch, along with all the facilities that a student at Christ University would need. You would have all of them at the Lavasa campus. So these are the pros and the cons of Lavasa campus. You all obviously need to be sure, and you all need to mend them in your personal ways. Maybe a few cons might not be a con for you. If somebody is an introvert, they might really like Lavasa as a campus because that is just who they are. But at the same time, if somebody is an extrovert, they love to party and everything, then maybe Lavasa is not for them. Again, so these all pros and cons are just my view of it. You have to mend it and mold it according to what suits you the most. Lastly, we have the life at campus. Now, I've talked to a lot of people regarding Lavasa campus in the past 4 to 5 days, and I got a generalistic view of what it is like a life at Lavasa campus. So usually all the students had to say is after their classes, they were very busy on each and every day, either doing assignments or sports or organizing fests. So one of the biggest parts is that even if the place is isolated, you do not feel it is isolated, because you're very busy with whatever you are doing, be it your assignments relating to your coursework, or you're playing sports with your batchmates or your seniors, or you're organizing fests. So that is where life at Lavasa campus is very busy, and it is just like any other campus life would be. You would have Sunday retreat in Pune. What do I mean by that is that every Sunday there would be a bus which would go to Pune. So you can sit on that bus and they will take you to Pune, drop you off near a mall, and then you're free to do whatever you want to do for the next few hours. And then obviously you sit back on the bus and get back to Lavasa. So for all the people who need a little bit of an outing, they can surely do that on Sundays. And Pune is just a great place to be. Like, Pune has everything. A lot of people would consider, in fact, Pune to be better than Bangalore as well. So Pune has everything that you need in terms of malls, in terms of shopping, in terms of party, in terms of nightlife. So whenever you want to get that taste, you can surely go to Pune by the bus facility which is provided by Christ University. Thirdly, there is a lakeside restaurants and food at campus. Like I've told you before, Christ University hostels do not provide you with any food, but usually the food at the campus, which is the cafeteria, is very nice and budget friendly. So you guys can try that out. Along with that, Lavasa has very beautiful and cute little cafes which are on the lakeside. So you guys can choose those cafes, and you can visit those cafes on a regular interval with your classmates to pass your time and enjoy the environment at Lavasa campus. Fourthly, like I've said that I've talked to a lot of students about Lavasa campus. Frankly, the review that I have got is that everybody is very happy with Lavasa campus. Yes, in terms of all the cons, they said that it took them time to adjust to Lavasa as a city or as a campus, because they were not used to being in that kind of environment. But now 4 months, 5 months or a year into the campus, they're very happy with it. And obviously now that you're going to be there for 3 years, you have to look at all the pros and try adjusting to the environment. So they all are very happy with it. Also, everybody praises about the faculty connect at Lavasa campus, and everybody feels that Lavasa has a lot of great things to offer. In terms of placements, like I said, all of them have said that yes, there are companies that visit the campus. Along with that, if there are a few companies which are just coming to the Bangalore campus, people from the Lavasa campus are free to go to Bangalore campus to sit for those placements as well. Along with that, everybody is very confident that they would get a job irrespective of the placements, because they feel that the Lavasa campus is inculcating in them good skills which are very much demanded in the market right now, and they are very, very positive on getting a placement. However, in terms of the proper record or data, I do not have that. So you guys would have to do your own research. Lastly, a lot of students were concerned about things near to Lavasa campus, such as the hospital. So guys, yes, there is a Apollo hospital, which is a very, very famous hospital in Lavasa. So for any emergency needs, you have that. Along with that, the fathers at Christ University campus are there to take care of you, and they have a personal connect with each and every student. So for any other problem which you face for your life at Lavasa campus, you can surely get in touch with them or get in touch with the faculty members. I'm pretty sure they would be more than happy to help. In terms of all the basic necessities, you have everything in Lavasa in terms of departmental stores, grocery, medical shops. So you have everything that you need in the Lavasa campus. For other things that you are not there, you can surely travel to Pune on a Sunday and get those things. However, the students usually what they said is that they don't travel on each and every Sunday to Pune because they have a lot of assignments, and obviously on Sundays they want to rest as well. So they do that, and they're very happy with the life that they're living right now. So that's about it for this video, guys. I hope this video has been useful for you. If you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Comment below if you guys have any doubts, questions or queries regarding to Lavasa campus. I'll surely try answering all of them or connecting you guys to the right people. Don't forget to share this video with all the other friends who are joining Lavasa campus or are still considering Lavasa campus. Lastly, do not forget to subscribe to my channel, because if you would do, I would be highly motivated to make more videos for you all, and you would get regular updates whenever I upload any other new video. Take care, bye bye.